Today, I'll walk you through how to create a content calendar in Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a content calendar so you can streamline your planning and stay organized. Let's dive right in. First, open your Notion page. This is where all the magic begins. If you're not familiar with Notion, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Once you're on your Notion page, look for the Add a Page button. This is typically located in the sidebar. Click on it to create a new page. Think of this as laying the foundation for your content calendar. Next, we'll want to access the templates. Click on the Templates option. This will open a variety of pre-designed templates that can save you time and effort. Templates are like blueprints. They give you a starting point to build upon. Now let's go to the Notion Marketplace. Again, click on Templates. This will lead you to a wider selection of templates available for use. It's like browsing through a store for the perfect organizational tool. In the search bar, type Content Calendar. This will filter the templates specifically designed for content planning. You'll see various options that can suit your needs. Once you find a template you like, choose it and click the plus sign to add it to your workspace. This is where the fun begins. You're about to customize your calendar. The template will now appear in the left pane of your Notion workspace. Open it up and start modifying it to tailor-fit your needs. You can adjust the dates, add your content ideas, and even assign tasks to team members if you're collaborating. Remember, a content calendar is not just a schedule. It's a tool that helps you visualize your content strategy and keep everything on track. If you followed along, congratulations, you've successfully created a content calendar in Notion. This powerful tool will help you stay organized and ensure that your content is consistently delivered. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.